Welcome back to Riotouch. Today I come to show you a fancy journey with the office and the factory. Come closer. The left area shows the supply chain department. So maybe worrying about how the OEM and the construction ID coming from. Now welcome back to the filming area and engineering department. Now keep closer. We're in a mass area for the RD, all the fancy apps and customized apps. Keep in mind the AI ability comes from this area. Into the factory. Along with this one, you will notice our capabilities with Riotouch for the OEM and ODM. Now for this software and also structural ID designing comes with the UMI, U-File, and AI ability software. The kiosk, the vertical display, and OPS mini PC together with the authority box, the next generation products in 2026. Now for the kiosk with different sizes and motorized table with lifting height and motorized benches. In this area, we have 3 box-free area. We can see from the left hand area. Later, we'll witness this more careful. Now finally coming to the aging area, water products finished production are suffering on 24 hours and 32 hours of aging, protecting each functionality, interface, and signal source. I'll come closer. Now we're close to the aging area. Here we're taking the 72 hours of aging, texting each functionality. We get the list. In this list, we are checking each of the functionality, the booting logo, and also the customization in requirements and each signal source. And we'll click it to touch the touch response and infrared touch, and also checking each apps and the functionality that's ordered.
R&D team comprising over 60% of our staff, we are dedicated to providing cutting-edge technologies for your interactive whiteboard endeavors. Our proficient manufacturing unit is capable of producing more than 2,000 interactive whiteboards per month, ensuring timely delivery to satisfy your demands. At Riotouch, we prioritize customer satisfaction, offering a smooth and efficient process for procuring interactive whiteboards. Our dedication to innovation is evident in the numerous intellectual property rights we hold, including technical patents, product trademarks, and software copyrights. Additionally, our portfolio of over 30 certifications, such as CE, CB, CCC, and CQC, attests to our commitment to quality and compliance. Choose Riotouch for innovative and dependable interactive display solutions.
Welcome to Riotouch. This is high temperature detection line. This show is our temperature. We have 3 high temperature detection lines.
Happy New Year, everyone. Today I'm going to get you more information about our hot sellers in 2025 and will be also in 2026. The RK3588 We have the 65, 75, 86, 98 inch and 105 and 110 inches for this model. It is a high performance interactive flat panel and especially good for school education and conference meetings. And for this model is the premium model, so we have the Rock chip RK3 by AA for the chipset. And then for the CPU, we have the octa-core CPU with 8 quad-core A76 plus quad-core A55, and the performance is up to 2.4 GHz. And then for the RAM and storage, you can choose from the RAM. You can choose from 8, 16, and or 256 or 32 GB. And for the storage, you can choose 128, 256, or even 512 GB for the storage. And then for the ports, we actually have a lot of ports for this model. We have the MFC, okay, over here in the front, and we also have Type-C port, one Type-C port in the front, and at the back you can choose 2 Type-C, one Type-C in and one Type-C out. And then the other side, we also have the fingerprint module in the front. You can choose that as well. And at the back, we also have the DP port and RJ45 in and out port for you to choose from some projects, especially for school tenders or government projects. You can choose this model. It's very suitable. And right now it's Android 13. Later on, we already have the Android 15 for the market, and it also has the EDLA certificate for this model. So it's good for tenders and projects. And if you have any other questions, you can just contact us and we'll get you more information about that. Thank you.
Smart Touch LED for conferencing and education, with available size for 108, 136, 163 inches, powered by Riotouch 3588, and COB based, give you the ability with 4K resolution, 1.2 pixel pitch, and 60 GB RAM and 256 memory. And saw the next sound speaker with 4.1 sound speaker and subwoofer, allow you perfect solutions for conference room, education solutions. And together with Riotouch AI ability, the UI together the educational solutions and AI ability. The next edges of AI LED touch screen is waiting for you.